Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. This is day 17 of our COVID-19 UK lockdown, and so we're on video number 17. So welcome if you're new to my channel, hi, and if you're one of my regular viewers, hi and thank you for coming back. So the set I'm going to do today, it's like another spring summer set, and I'm going to be using Pinkerbell Sheer, which is one of the colours from Glitterbels that I haven't used before. So that was all the colours that I'm going to be using in this set, and I'm starting off with the little finger, and I'm doing Petal Candy all over the entire nail. Onto the ring finger, and I'm using the white that I pre-mixed previously for another video. So I just used white acrylic and mixed it with clear just to give this sort of milky white. So that's the base for this nail, and I'm going to be using Violet Skies, Unicorn Tears and Petal Candy. This nail's very similar to the video that I did in video number 15. I've just sort of tweaked it a little bit, so it's not so, I'm not using so many colours, it's just the 3 colours in this one. Okay, so I started off the nail with the Violet Skies, and this particular acrylic from Glitterbels does a natural sort of marble, so you have to play with it a bit just to have the colour, you know, consistent. But I just left it, I haven't played with it because I kind of want the marble effect on this nail. And then I went in with the Unicorn Tears It's the same, it also naturally marbles as well. You know, if you just put it on, leave it to sit, you'll get this natural marble effect from it. And then I've just added a little bit of the Petal Candy just to give sort of warmer tones to this nail. I'm going in now with Snowdrop White. It's not that I'm doing any clouds in the nails, I just want it's almost like a mist that I'm putting on the nails. So really, really wet and basically spreading it out so that it just looks very, very faint. So the middle finger, what can I say about the middle finger? The picture that I saw on Pinterest, it had the middle finger was like a white and grey ombre, but the stone grey was the lightest grey that I have, and it completely looked wrong with this nail. So we'll forget about that one. We're going to move on to the pointer finger, but I do come back and I change the middle finger just to have something that ties in more with the rest of the nails. This is the Pinkerbell Sheer that I haven't used before, and I really, really like it. It's given the effect of almost, you know, like the jelly nails. So I really, really like this. So I might do a set of jelly nails, you never know. So on this nail, I'm going to completely cover it in the Pinkerbell Sheer, and then I'm going to add in some Opal Crush, as well as some of my butterflies that I used in one of my other videos. I keep looking at that middle finger and go, ugh, ugh, horrible. These little butterflies, I just got them off eBay. I think they were $1.99 and the postage was free, and they came quite quickly. Oh look, that horrible nail, horrible middle fingernail has disappeared. And now I can go in with some pink. So I'm going in with my Petal Candy. This will tie in the little finger to the middle finger. And I'm also going to ombre this nail, and I'm going to do that with the Violet Skies. So again with the violets, guys, I'm trying my best not to work the product too much because I still would like that natural ombre that this acrylic does, and because it just gives the illusion of all the different shades of the violets, guys. And I'm just adding some of the Opal Crush. My mistake, guys, the index finger, it was Michaela that I put on and not Opal Crush. On to capping the nails now, so I'm going to cap them all in glass slippers, and I'm only going to show one nail just to keep the length of the video down, and then we'll get on to the filing. So I'm just putting on my little finger condom, as I call it, because when I've been filing the nails recently, my thumb has got quite tender because the file has been running over my thumb. So I've just put this on just to protect it. So I'm doing my usual filing routine. I was starting at the side walls, making sure they were nice and straight, making sure my lower arch was nice and straight, and I'm concentrating on the shape of the nail, and then I will finish with the free edge. Just getting that point really sharp. So quick wipe over with some of my alcohol and it's top coat time. Yay! It's my favourite time. This is when the acrylic just starts to come to life. So again, I'm using my Jelly Top It Off, which will leave behind a tacky layer, so I'll need to take that off with my alcohol when it's cured. And the little finger, I've left it out because I am actually going to use a non-white top coat on that one because I need to go in with my pink pearl pigment. I'm just applying some rhinestones before I cure the top coat, and I'm just placing them in a diagonal form up around the cuticle and down at the sidewall. So this is the pink pearl that I got from Glitter Planet, and I'm just applying it over that non-white top coat, and that's going to give the nail a pearlescent effect. So I also need to apply top coat over the pearl because it would just wash off when you're washing your hands. So I need to put the top coat on to seal it, and I'm just going to put a single pearl rhinestone in the centre. And here's the finished set. I hope you've liked the video. If you have, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have anything that you would like me to do in any of my videos, please pop it in the comments. And I know, Julia, you've asked for me to do some flowers, and I will get a video up for you as soon as possible. So I'll see you all in the next video, guys. Take care, be safe, and stay home. Bye.